Going in. Oh. Greetings. Stop number 3 on our Southeast Kansas chicken tour. I am Backyard Beau. This is Ramblin' Raw. We are in Yale one more time at Chicken Mary's, and I'm hungry. Let's go get some food. Door number 1 and door number 2.
Fix that for you then. All right. Total tonight is $29.62. And then Ashley, if you want to firm the amount over here. $29.62. Sign that copy for me. Would you like a copy for yourself?
Follow me right this way.
Smells good.
Do you want like a doggy bag? Enjoy.
Thank you. We are here. I can't get my menu open. This is what it's like when you open the menu. It's been a long day. Bear with me. Here is an overview of the history. Pause at any moment if you want the words to stop. Page number 2. Good view of the sides. Everything from seafood to brisket. But I don't know about her, I am getting chicken so you can see the chicken.
Guys, my name is Marcy and I'll be taking care of you today. What can I give you to drink?
Coke, please.
I'm Coke as well. Okay. Do you guys want any onion rings to put in today?
Small onion ring and mozzarella sticks. You sure?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
I'll get the cheese.
Okay, cheese sticks and a small onion ring.
I'll be right back over with drinks. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Some straws. And are you guys ready to order or do you want a few minutes?
I'm ready, are you?
Bring it on.
I'll do the ground steak.
Okay. And for you?
I would like can I do a leg and a thigh?
Okay.
With German potato salad and German slaw.
And you get one more side.
Ooh, 3 cents. I'll also do some cottage cheese, please.
Sounds good. I'll get that put right.
Here we go. The butter the bread shot.
Do you guys want any onion rings to put in?
Once again, the locally famous Frontenac bread. All around the edges.
Thank you.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Sign of a good cheese stick.
Onion ring for you guys. And they're really
Awesome.
hot, so be careful with them, okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
Here's that last
Sorry, audience.
Alright, here's the German potato salad, German slaw, and cottage cheese with a leg and a thigh. This is the ground steak with a baked potato, sour cream, cottage cheese, and spaghetti. Do you guys need anything right now to go with it?
A1.
Yeah, I can bring it over. Thank you.
That looks good. Yours also looks good. Are you excited?
So excited.
Guys, I have your ticket written for you. Is there anything else that I can do or get you tonight?
I think we're good. Thank you.
Alright, thank you guys. Have a good night. Alright.
We have paid. We have leftovers. We are leaving. We have a bouncy ball machine. Look at it go.
Bounce out.
That's nifty. As we wind down on this video, I want to thank you all for joining us as usual. Until next time, go out, have some fun, eat some chicken, do good things, be nice to one another. And we're going to catch you next video.
Hi guys, my name is Martina. On behalf of me and Chicken Mary's family, we'd like to invite you out to have some Southeast Kansas fried chicken.